Yes, welcome to MojoCAD. Yeah, this is the second last video of the pellet making machine, and today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can get free CAD files, yeah, from a website. Yeah, so some of the files that are downloaded for this project are where the nuts and bolts that are used. Yeah, so basically these two, I was able to download them from the McMaster. Yeah, so it's a software, actually it's a website whereby you can download SolidWorks files, DX files, step files, and these are standard files that have been made already. So it's a catalog kind of browsing website whereby you can find so many items that you need in lighting, fabrication, fastening, joining. Yeah, it's really a nice website. So it's called McMaster-Carr website, whereby you can get a number of SolidWorks files that are already ISO standard. You get, yeah, so all you have to do is to download them after creating an account and signing in. So keep around with me. I'll be exploring so many sites whereby you can get free files, and today's tutorial we shall be looking at McMaster. Yeah, so come to your browser, just look for McMaster. Yeah, this is it. So it will load, and when it loads, you may see something different from mine. That me, I've been overusing it lately because of the projects that I've been designing. But yeah, when you come here, it will show you at least a number of items and their categories you get. So all these, at least expect a CAD file already constructed or already made. SolidWorks can be in, can be a PDF style, can be e-drawing file, IGES file. Yeah, a number of them. So, for this purpose, we are looking for bolts, and in this project, I mostly used M16 bolts. Yeah, for the mounting, of the two cylinders, the motor. Yeah, so you just search for your bolts, and also you come on the left hand side. That's where you see the system of measurement. So you have the inch, you have the metric. I prefer using the metric, but if you're good at inches, yeah, it's also another thing to try out. Yeah, so I'll come here, but before that I would like to show you what is happening on the left hand side. So after selecting the metric, we have different sizes. Yeah, we are looking for M16. Yeah, and that is it, meaning that the outer diameter is basically 16. Yeah, for those threads. So after selecting M16, which is the thread size, we shall look for the length. Yeah, I'll go with 60 mm for my case because most of them are around there. Yeah, then the thread pitch. Thread pitch will also differ depending on the purpose, and the pitch has an effect on the rotation of the bolt. Assuming you're using it to set something, then a smaller pitch will be more accurate. Yeah, say it's a metal that is moving around and rotating around. Yeah, so I'll take a 1.5 for this purpose. Then having selected that, I can also select what basically I need, whether it's hexa or it's a socket kind of bolt. Yeah, for this purpose, I'll select hexa. So for all the details I've put in, this has been selected as the best. 60, you see, 1.5 millimeters, then M16. Yeah, so this is the pressure. The pressure, you have the width, you have, so all these are related to the the thread. Then here there is the price, so you can buy this item. However, for our purpose, we won't buy. Instead, we shall just click at the number, then the specifications will reload again, and we shall look at the product detail. So the product detail, on the right of that we have the files for the 3D models, whereby you have 3D EDWR, we have 3D EGES, we have the PDF, we have the file, SolidWorks, the files, no threads. Yeah. So for my case, since we are using SolidWorks, you just come and select SolidWorks, then you tap on download. Yeah, so note, this will only be downloaded if you have signed in and you've created an account. Yeah, so it's something easy. You can even use, Google account to log in so that you can access these files. Yeah, the other point is, as soon as you download it, it will be active in SolidWorks, and you can easily use it at any time that you want. You get, so if it's an assembly, you can easily look for it and add it into your assembly. Yeah, so this is what I basically did in my pellet making machine. Somebody can ask a question, why do I have to do something to use something that has already been designed? Yeah, this will save your time. Assuming you're working on a project where you have so many items that you have to assemble. You have washers, you have bolts, you have caster wheels, you have, you have rivets. Yeah, so some of the things are small, but they consume a lot of time. Yeah, so this is one way of beating that time, by downloading already files that are standard and they are already in existence. Just use them in your CAD files, not an offense. Yeah, you get. So the other reason is for inspiration. Yeah, when you download such for your next project, assuming it's a custom bolt that you need, you can have an inspiration out of this. You know basically how it should look like and how beautiful it should be, so that you can easily finish it to this standard quality that somebody may expect from you. You get. Yeah, so please, for complicated items, those that are not custom made, I encourage you, get used to some of these websites. They will save you a lot of time. So please comment in the comment section, for some of the items that you would like, or for some of the websites that you think are really worth looking at. I have my list already, and I'll be exploring one by one as time goes on. So please keep around, subscribe, and if you're new, please consider subscribing so that we grow this channel together. Yeah, so this is the bolt. So you can go ahead and just be copying it. Just select control and just transfer anywhere that you want, like this. So that is what basically I'm doing. But yeah, keep around for the assembly of the pellet making machine. It's the other part that is coming next, and from that we shall do the render, or photo render, using still SolidWorks Photo 360. Yeah, thank you so much. Peace.